Hi, welcome to Lytical Preps. Today we are going to learn how to solve quadratic equations. How to solve quadratic equation. I'm going to use this problem to teach you how to solve quadratic equation. So the question is x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. We have to use factoring method. Its form, that is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is the form of quadratic equation. Now, we were restricted to factoring method because we have three methods of solving quadratic equations. This is the first method, which is the factoring method. We have other two, and the second one is quadratic formula. And we have the third one, which is the completing of squares. Good. So we are using factoring method in this case. So comparing our problem to the general form of quadratic equation, let me rewrite it again so that we take it from here. X squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Our a here is what we call it constant term. So our a here is called the coefficient of x squared. So coefficient of x squared. The b is called coefficient of x. Then our c here is a constant term. So that's it. The a is the coefficient of x squared, the b is the coefficient of x, and the c is the constant term. So we are going to compare this to our problem, which is x squared minus 5x plus 6, which is equal to 0. Comparing the general form to our problem here, we can see that our coefficient of x in the question is 1. That of x, which is the b, our own is what? Negative 5. The constant term is 6. Good. So we start from here. I hope you are getting it clearly. Okay. Now, what we need to do is to look for two pairs of numbers. When we multiply, we get 6. And when we add the same two pairs of numbers, we are going to get negative 5. That's the coefficient of x. Clear? So, for us to start, we need to list the factors of 6. So, factors of 6. Factors of 6, they are the numbers when you multiply, you get 6. That's what we call it, factors of 6. Numbers, when you multiply, you get 6. So, factors of 6, they are the numbers when you multiply, you get 6. So, in this case, When you multiply 1 by 6, you see that you are getting 6. See? So 1 multiplied by 6, we are getting 6 back. Then negative 1 multiplied by negative 6. What are we getting? We are getting positive 6. Good. We can get 2 and 3 too. So when you multiply 2 by 3, we are getting 6. Also, negative 2 times negative 3, we are getting 6. Nice. Good. So these are the factors of 6. Now, 2 factors or 2 pairs of the factors of 6, when we multiply, will give us 6. But when we add them, we are going to get our negative 5. It's what we are going to do next. So add to get negative 5. Add 2 factors. So let's see. Adding 2 factors to get negative 5. So let's start from the very beginning. 1 plus 6 gives us what? That is 7. Negative 1 plus negative 6. We are getting negative 7. 2 plus 3, we are getting what? 5. Negative 2 plus negative 3, we are getting what? Negative 5. So you can see that we are getting negative 5 here. So we can now conclude that our pairs of numbers, that when we multiply, we get 6, but when we add, we get negative 5, is negative 2 and negative 3. Now, we are going to write this equation as product of binomials using negative 2 and 3. So the whole thing becomes x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to, so product of binomials is going to be x minus 2, x minus 3. Good. So when you simplify the right hand side, you can see that you are going to get the results to be this. Good. So we use x minus 2, then x minus 3 to get our answer. Now we are going to set this to 0. So x minus 2, x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now you need to make x a subject from here. So we did x minus 2. Making x a subject, we are going to get x is equal to 2. Or on this side, we are going to get x is equal to 3. So our final solution is going to be, so final solution is equal to x is 2, x is equal to 2, sorry, x is equal to 2, and x is equal to 3. Now, I hope you really enjoyed the lesson. I'm going to leave you some questions here. So the question is, solve x squared plus 7x plus 10, which is equal to 0, by factoring method. The same method that we learned today. Okay, so try to solve it without using a calculator. Thank you.